guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadija, and in today's video we're back with another wig install, and this unit is from Premium Lace Wigs, and I'm in love with this unit. This unit is their 24-inch Ombré Highlighted Bodyweight wig. The unit is 180% density, and I love how this turned out. If you want to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and check out the video. I will be leaving their link down below so you guys can go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below and let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video. So the wig is actually a 13x6 unit. It has that really nice deep part going right around the unit. It is 180% density, and this is what 24 inches look like. Right out of the box, I love the unit. I feel like it's giving us a really pretty vibes. So let's go ahead and install our unit. Today I'll be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue to install the unit. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the final look. It is super, super gorgeous. I love how this turned out. It is giving us a really chic, pretty look, and I am here for it. I love it. This is it. It has a really nice deep part. The lace smells great. This is the final look. Again, this unit is from Premium Lace Wigs, and this is their 24-inch Ombré Highlighted body wave unit, and I love how this turned out. It is super, super soft. This is it. Giving us some really nice curls. It's bouncy, it's silky. I love it. If you want to get this here, then go ahead and check out the link in my description to make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.